6 months ago, I was making £15,000 a month with my agency back in the UK. I then moved to Dubai and honestly, I lost most of it. So I guess this is episode 1 of documenting everything and showing you what it's really like to rebuild a marketing agency from scratch as a solo operator. So where am I right now? I've been living in Dubai for 8 months and to be honest with you, it's been good. I've made a load of money, but I've also spent a load of money because it costs a lot of money to live in Dubai. So it basically has been balanced out. There is, however, my saving grace, which is a guy from Saudi. He owns a holding company that owns 17 restaurants. I've sent him a proposal. I've sent him the agreement. He should be signing it and paying me tomorrow. So this is, I'm just being transparent. I might be off to a flying start or I might not be. But even if that Saudi client signs the agreement, yes, it's unbelievable money. Yes, I'll be busy. I'll be able to show you the behind the scenes of what I do to set up that client, and I'm going to be documenting everything. But also I would like clients in Dubai as well. So this journey, these episodes I'm now going to be putting out on this channel is going to be documenting how do I get clients in Dubai, going behind the scenes to meet them, show them what I can do, where can I take their business, cold calling, emailing, reaching out, sending Instagram DMs, building a new website. There's so much that I need to do. I'm literally starting on ground zero. Where do I want to take it? I've promised myself, if I'm going to relaunch this agency and if I'm going to stay in this game, I have to be charging minimum £2,500 a month. That will cover everything for them, their website, their ads, their content, their social media strategy. And then I was thinking, it's actually difficult to get clients in Dubai because there are people in Dubai, how can I say this? There are people in Dubai from different countries that is not London, like me, who will work every day, all day for £500. And they have the same camera equipment as me. So how can I compete with those people? These companies, these restaurants, these paddle clubs, these beach clubs, they all have a tight-knit marketing group that I could never go into. So I sat back one night and I honestly was on my computer for about 3 or 4 hours. And I've come up with this idea of building a marketing agency that doesn't revolve around content. I need to stop selling content because that's all I done. I didn't push the narrative of I can get you busier. I can run Facebook ads and Instagram ads to grow your restaurant and to get you more bookings, and I can prove it on your reservation system. So not only can I sign clients now with content and ads, I can also embed myself into businesses, into holding companies that have a marketing team already, but they're just shit. And I can do way better ads than them. So I will join in as part of their marketing team instead of replacing them, which makes the decision for the owner a lot quicker. And that's exactly what's happened with this Saudi client. I haven't replaced anyone. No one's lost their job. I've just came in to do a better job and teach the marketing company or the marketing team how to do a better job. I've done £10,000 and £15,000 a month in the UK. I think my biggest month was £21,000 before tax, I think. I've never hit that again. I was always between 10 to 15K. Most months on average was about 12 and a half. I want to double that as a solo operator. I want to be making £25,000 a month. Now that might sound crazy to you if you've never hit those sort of figures before, but for me, it's highly, highly, highly achievable. Are you telling me in Dubai, London, Australia, Miami, LA, America, like all of those countries, English-speaking countries, you're telling me I can't sign 10 clients at £2,500 a month for me to go in and run their ads to make them more money? It's possible. And if I have to send 100,000 fucking emails to get those 10 people to say yes, then I'll send 101 fucking thousand emails. I don't know, I'm excited. Like, I don't think I've met anyone in my life or know anyone in my life that is excited because he's lost £15,000 a month worth of work in the UK. Currently he's making hardly anything, to rebuild something bigger. And it excites me because it's like playing a game where like you get to the max level and then you reset all your stats and then you got to do it again. Like Call of Duty when you're prestiging. I feel like I'm prestiging. I've to get to something bigger, I've had to prestige, and I start from 1 with no guns or no attachments. That's genuinely how I feel, and that excitement has come back for the first time in years, because when I was running my marketing agency in the UK, it was just the same shit. Same food, same photos, same videos. No wonder they've left me. Anyway, I'm excited, man. This is episode 1 of building a marketing agency in Dubai. I currently have 0 clients, currently making 0 money in Dubai. I have just finished my website. Get ready for episode 2 because I've got a feeling I'm gonna hit £25,000 a month by the end of 2026. I've made it my goal, and if I fail, I fail. At least I've tried.